Hey guys, Desmond Ong here. So I wasn't going to record this video today, but I thought this is so good, I just cannot skip this out. So literally what I'm showing you here today is a software that I would actually use in my business. In fact, I'm very excited about because this isn't something that a developer can just build. And, it's not something that a programmer can just go out there, spend a bunch of money and make it happen. It doesn't work like that, okay? This is different. This is a game changer. In fact, if you're using Facebook right now as your marketing tool, if you're using Facebook either to run Facebook ads, if you're using Facebook group to build tribes, to build members in your Facebook group so you can market to them again, or you just have a bunch of friends in your Facebook profile that you can market to, if you're in a network marketing business, if you're in internet marketing or any sort of marketing at all that you're using through Facebook, you have to watch this video because I'm showing you something that my friends Sam and Justin has worked really hard to build up. In fact, they actually have to delay the launch of this multiple times because they wanted this to be stable. They wanted this to be awesome before they actually release anything. So I have the software plugged into my phone, so you should be able to see my phone here, and I want you to take a notice of that Thunderbolt sign right next to the URL. Okay, so this is what they call an instant article, which means when you click on it, it should just load up like that. Okay, let me show you one example. All these are instant articles by TechCrunch. TechCrunch is actually the #1 startup article website or news website, so they know how powerful having that little Thunderbolt means, because it allows you to pull up article really quickly. Based on a lot of statistics that I read online, this actually increases open rate, people basically scrolling through and not opening your article by 20%. It also increases engagement by 20%, and also as well as click links on the, if you have an article and then you have links inside your article that you want people to click, maybe your affiliate link or maybe a link that you're selling your product, people are more likely to click on that compared to the normal article. Let me show you the difference first. Okay, so this is an instant article, so I'm just going to turn this up. Okay, and as you can see here, it just loads like that. Okay, and it looks really nice on the phone, just like that. Okay, let me show you from this camera as well. I don't know if you guys can pick that up. It just looks really nice. It's integrated seamlessly with my phone so that it reads nicely. The fonts are perfect. Loads really quick, and I get excited about reading this because it's so much easier to read this. Okay, but let me open another one that I found that is not using this. Okay, so this is a match of the day. Okay, match of the day is actually a soccer or let me see if I can actually get to their page. There you go. It's actually like a TV show, but they have a fan page. They have how many millions? I don't know, 4 million likes. So this one here, as you can see, bbc.co.uk, it doesn't have a Thunderbolt. You can see that it doesn't have a Thunderbolt sign or logo, whatever we call it. So when let's say I want to read about this one here, so I'll click this, and it takes a while to load. Take a look. It's wasting a bit of my time, 4 to 5 seconds maybe. Right, and then some pictures, sometimes they don't even load really well, and then it's a little bit harder to read because it's not integrated as well to the phone. Because when you use instant article, not only pops up instantly, but it also gets people to click. It appears more often in the timeline, and more importantly, the engagement is higher. Now this is very important if you're doing Facebook marketing. If you have higher engagement, that means you get more traffic to your website. Simple as that, right? If your engagement is very low, Facebook's algorithm will actually push your article way lower because they think that people are not interacting with your article or interacting with whatever post that you're making. Okay, now so Sam and Justin, what they've done is that they created this little thing called Boat Publisher. This is amazing, guys. This is really amazing. I've never seen anything like this before. In fact, this is something that I'm actually going to use in my own campaign. They have got a bunch of features. You can schedule the post, you can do an article, you can write articles, which is where I'm on right now. You can check the analytics, integrations, get a writer, which means it posts straight with your writer, connects you, user settings, the usual stuff. They have like training. The training is fantastic. I think the training will be able to explain way better than I do. So what I'm going to do, go ahead and just show you exactly how I would do it. Let's just go to how to use survey. You click on edit. Oops, sorry. So these articles are actually ready. They're preloaded by Sam and Justin's team. So what you needed to do is just do something like this. You can publish. Okay, so once you write your article, let me just go back actually because I want to show you what it works like. Okay, so this is a new article. So here's how you create a new article. You can create campaigns. So let's say I do how to make money online. You can add your header cover. You can put a title like make money now, okay? Make money online easily. Author name Mr. Money, okay? Author description, money, money, money. Okay, and then you can add the publication dates and things like that. And then when you click save, you will be allowed to add an article and add some pictures. You know, the very usual editor stuff. I'm not going to waste your time showing you that. What I really want to show you is also the analytics as well, if I can show that to you. Okay, so it allows you to go, okay, so I need to like get the OTO. So you guys get the OTO for the analytics because that is important. It allows you to read the analytics to find out which article is performing well, so that the next time you do it, you can do the same kind of articles again and again. So I really think that this upgrade is very important. I believe that they'll allow you to upgrade. Yes, it will be one of the OTO, so make sure you get it. Okay, I think it's worth it. It comes in a package. By the way, this whole thing costs like $37. The investment is only $37, which is ridiculously low price for these kind of things. If you know how much it took to develop this, you will believe that $37 is like the lowest low of the low, because this thing itself costs more than five figure, if not a six figure to develop. Okay, I want to show you something when you publish. Okay, that's really important. So I show you this part just now. So the way it publishes is that it links straight to your Facebook page. Okay, so if you have a Facebook page in your market and you wrote an article, it publishes straight onto your Facebook page. That way you can, you know, use it right away. And of course it does schedulations and you can integrate a bunch of stuff. But what you do is that you type an article in here, you schedule when you want to publish it, and then you hit publish, and then publish onto your Facebook page just like that. So if you have a page that has a ton of likes, a ton of, maybe a Facebook group with a ton of people, what I will do is I'll publish on the page and then share it into the group, share it into the Facebook group. All right, it'll create so much more engagement. This is really, really powerful here. So I'm preparing a ton of bonuses to compensate you if you invest in Book Publisher during this launch period. Of course, they'll take it away. I'm not sure when. They might increase the price because if I'm them, I'll definitely increase the price. This is an amazing tool. Okay, so get the bonuses, and if you get the bonus and then you tweet me at let me just write this down. Okay, if I can, I can't find a pen. Okay, there you go. Okay, I think a lot of you guys probably know my ID. Okay, if you got Book Publisher through my link, okay, and you got the bonuses and everything as well, I'll add this additional bonus that will not appear on the page. Okay, so add me at real Desmond Ong, okay, Twitter, find me on Twitter, or you can Snapchat me. If you guys know my Snapchat, you can Snapchat me, but ideally Twitter, so I can keep track and I can DM you, which direct messages you, and I'll show you actually a couple of ways that you can use this to increase not only engagement, but how to leverage that engagement to turn into a high ticket money for you. I'm talking about high ticket commissions or high ticket sales for you. So what you do is that if you're a coach, if you sell something high ticket, or even if if you're selling e-commerce stuff, or let's say you're an affiliate for for a high ticket project or high ticket product, and you're promoting it, okay, this all works perfectly for you. I'll show you how to do that over a really short webinar. Okay, so but you have to tweet me so that I know that if we have enough people, we'll do it. Okay, so we need at least about 3 to 5 people to make it worthwhile. So what you want to do is go ahead and get Book Publisher right now. I think it's fantastic. I think it's the software of the year. Go and test it out. You'll like it. I think they have a money back guarantee, so if you don't like it, you can always get your money back. But I suggest you to do one thing: use this and make money with it, because you're gonna see a ton of results. You're gonna see amazing results using this.